Find the domain or range of the function f of x is equals to x minus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 15. Alright, so it's important to note that range are all the possible outcomes for the y, and domain are all the possible output values for the x. So for the range for this particular fraction, range is pretty straightforward, because in this case range is all the positive and negative values included, as well as 0. So we just said our range is negative infinity to positive infinity. So that's our range. Now the key is the domain. So the domain must not, rather the denominator must not be 0. Then that's the possible values of x. So if we don't want x to be 0, this means that we're saying that x squared minus 2x minus 15, this must not be 0. So in short, we should not have 0 in the denominator. So let's solve this quadratic equation. So I'll say x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is over 2a. So x must not be these values. So x must not be negative 2, that's our b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that is 4 minus 4ac. Our a is 1, our c is negative 15. All this is over 2a. So x must not be positive. This is now a positive 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 60 divided by 2. So this must not be 2 plus or minus the square root of 64 is 8 divided by 2. So x must not be 2 plus 8 over 2, or x must not be 2 minus 8 over 2. So this now gives us the domain. So the domain must be everything except, so x must not be 5 or negative 3. So all the positive and negative integers, 0 inclusive. So in short, all the real numbers except 5 and negative 3. So there we have it.